Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to share Messenger group link. Now to do that, what you need to do is open the Messenger application first. Now once you're at this page, what you have to do is you tap upon the group conversation to which you want to share the link to. Tap upon that, and after that you need to tap on the eye icon on the top right. Tap that. Here you scroll down to the chat info and there will have the option of invite link. You tap that, tap on copy, and then you will be able to share this link on any other platform that you want. Here you have the option of send in Messenger as well. You can directly send this link in the Messenger. Likewise, if you tap on share, you will be able to share it to the other application and other social media or the nearby Bluetooth device that you have. So this is how you can share a group link on Messenger. But you need to make sure that the group link is turned on. That is, the toggle is in blue side. If you tap that, the toggle will move to the right side. That means this link will not be able to be shared. This is only the option that an admin can have. Other members will not have the option to share it if you do not turn on the invite link. So this is how you can share Messenger group link. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.